Myself, Dr. P. Geeta. Today I would like to tell about interference concept. So here, so many day-to-day life examples are observing based on the concept of interference. So interference works on the principle of superposition of waves. So here, multiple colors on soap bottles as well as thin layers on the floating oil are viewed under sunlight. So these are the best examples in our day-to-day life. So here, where is coming to principle of superposition of waves. So here, the best evidence for the wave nature of light is interference. So interference works on the principle of superposition of waves. So let us say displacement of first wave is y1 and displacement of nth wave is y2. So according to the superposition concept, the resultant displacement is equal to the algebraic sum of the displacements of individual waves. So here, this is the resultant displacement. So here y equals to y1 plus or minus y2. According to the principle of superposition of waves, the resultant displacement is equal to the algebraic sum of the displacements of individual waves. So here y1 displacement of first wave and y2 is the displacement of second wave. So here capital Y indicates resultant displacement. So here positive sign which has to be taken, both the waves are traveling in same direction, and negative sign has to be taken, both the waves are traveling in opposite direction. So here interference works on the principle of superposition of waves. So here coming to coherence. So here coherence means two waves have same wavelength, same amplitude and constant phase difference. That type of waves must be exhibit coherence nature. So here when the waves are said to be coherent, then it must exhibit interference concept. So again interference. What is the principle of interference? So here interference means when two or more waves superimposed to each other, the resultant intensities differ than the intensities of individual waves. So here the distributions of intensity, so modification of intensity takes place in interference concept. So again interference can be divided into two types. Constructive interference and destructive interference. So here intensity can take place both the constructive and destructive interference.